We just woke up. It's about 6 in the morning and our driver actually said that we have to kind of jet out. We are now heading out to Sapa. It's gonna be about a 3-hour drive. We're not ready for this. It's so early. First stop is going to eat at some restaurant, and right away just kind of looking at this little street kind of brings back a lot of different type of feeling, just mainly because it feels a little bit more local. Take a look. This is kind of like, it says a spa and relaxed foot massage in this hotel. So we thought we were going to like a foot massage or spa, but it ends up being a restaurant in here. This is the menu, and the first thing that I see on the menu that they recommended is mountain pork and horse. This is our Sapa style chicken and our 5-season salmon right here.
The fish tastes different here.
This one is the ribs, barbecue rib. So we just bought our pass to Pha Mountain, and it was about 700 Vietnam dollars. Basically, we bought it at a hotel so that we didn't have to go line up at when we actually get up to the mountains. Hopefully this is a nice quick save tip on just kind of saving some time and when we get up there. So right now we're gonna go to the waterfalls. So we just got to the waterfall. This one is called Dak Back, and I might be butchering it, but our driver's gonna wait here at this little like shop, which is like really kind of cool to just go walk right over there and just over to where the waterfall is. So unreal. Everything just looks like a big like rainforest. So much greenery. Smell the fresh air here. saying that how there's nobody here. It's very nice because we get to take pictures whenever we want. And it's only about 20,000 Vietnam dollars. So it's almost like $1.50. Not even, like maybe $1.25 or something. Just to get in, and with these views, they're worth way more than 20,000 Vietnam dollars. We're basically going waterfall chasing. So we just finished at this waterfall. We're going to waterfall number 2. All right, recharging our batteries, and we just made it to the next waterfall. Take a look. Can this billboard be any bigger? Finally made it to the waterfall, and it's fucking beautiful. Look. Everyone take turns. So we just made it to Waterfall, love Waterfall, and I'm actually thinking about it because in Vietnamese they actually put waterfall first and then love, but we just made it. Apparently it's off season here, and we came at a perfect time, just mainly because we heard that 2 weeks before this they were just raining all the time here.
We basically have the whole park to ourselves right now. Yeah, it's just us 8 walking around, but it is also 3 p.m. so I'm not sure if all of the other tourists came early in the morning, but maybe try coming here in the afternoon to avoid all the big crowd.
Also, it was about 70,000 Vietnam dollars, which is equivalent to like almost, how much, Warren?
$3.
$3 Canadian, and you heard it first here.
Okay, Matt. This is our hotel, and this is the pool.
Here, people!